Chapter 5 Stack of Screens, in which we allow multiple screens to be stacked. We will have screens stacked on top of each other. Beware that the stack screens introduced here are basically the same thing as the raw screens we introduced in the previous chapter. They just include additional plumbing that we will eventually need, and which would be a nuisance to retrofit later. We will support activating other screens, while one screen is already being shown. We will have a screen stack, which tracks our screens and tracks which one of them is currently active. It behaves like a stack of playing cards. At any time, the topmost card or screen is visible. So if you are on a given screen and activate a submenu, the menu screen will show up on top, and once you are done with the menu, it will pop back off the stack again, so the earlier screen once more again is visible. The screens that our screen stack will contain will not directly be the raw screens from the earlier chapter. The interface of these stack screens will be a tiny bit different from our raw screen. Because they need to start and stop screens themselves, they'll also need access to the stack. So, the run key handler will get the stack as an extra argument. The screen stack needs a number of operations. You can remove, pop the topmost card. You can ask what the topmost card is, current, and you can add a new topmost card with push. Its interface becomes this, the 05 screen stack IF. We can whip up our implementation of the screen stack as this. It combines two things. It implements the stack part of push, pop, and current. It also implements the raw screen IF, so Event Manager will be able to host it. That last part is clever, in that the Event Manager will forward drawing and keyboard events to the current stack screen. We will also add a helper to 05 screen stack for using it, the method run stack screen. We can now test it with this, the index 05 stack. It will look just the same as index 04 raw screen did, but now we support nested screens